Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Cera Espanola Bikini is probably one of the most sought-after hair removal solutions for achieving that perfectly smooth, beach-ready look. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular product stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique formula, application process, and the results it delivers to help you decide if it's the right choice for your personal grooming needs and confidence. Number 5. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for Dry Skin. Discover the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, your solution for dry skin. It provides essential hydration to keep your skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. This rich cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. These key ingredients help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. It's perfect for daily use on both your body and face. The gentle formula is designed to be effective without irritation. Enjoy the benefits of an oil-free and fragrance-free formula. This makes it suitable for even sensitive skin types. Our non-comedogenic formula ensures it won't clog your pores. You can feel confident using it as part of your regular skincare routine. With a generous 19-ounce size, you'll have plenty of this nourishing cream. It's an economical choice for continuous skin hydration. What we like. This cream offers unparalleled hydration for extremely dry skin. Its fragrance-free and non-comedogenic formula makes it perfect for sensitive individuals. If you suffer from dry, flaky skin and need a daily moisturizer that won't irritate, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It is a very nice bikini. The bikini is made of good quality material. The design of the bikini is very flattering. Number 4. 10 Skin Solution. Tired of unsightly razor bumps and ingrown hairs? Our solution effectively calms your skin after shaving or waxing. Experience relief from uncomfortable razor burns. This toner is designed to soothe and prevent irritation. Suitable for everyone, it provides a smooth finish for both men and women after hair removal. Incorporate this essential step into your routine for clearer, calmer skin following shaving or waxing. Proudly made in the USA, this 8-ounce bottle offers a reliable solution for your skincare needs. What we like. This solution is designed to tackle those annoying razor bumps and ingrown hairs. It effectively calms redness and irritation after shaving or waxing. If you're tired of post-hair removal discomfort and want a smoother finish, this toner is a must-have. What people say. This stuff is one of the only products I've used that has helped clear my skin back up, and trust me, I have tried damn near everything. I first noticed results only a day after my first application, and my skin has stayed bump-free since. After struggling with post-shave neck irritation for years and trying a variety of lotions and balms, 10 Skin has finally helped me avoid irritation. 10 Skin really was a hard case to ignore, and I actually could not resist the reason to leave a review. I had serious trouble with ingrown hairs and razor bumps, mainly on my neck and bikini area, and it even seemed nothing could help me. I got the product and within a couple of uses I was able to detect the difference. My skin looked a lot calmer, felt smoother, and the red bumps that usually occur after the shave were hardly noticeable. Number 3. Tress Wellness Sensitive Skin Waxing Kit. Introducing the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, specially formulated for your sensitive skin. Experience safe and effective hair removal right at home. This versatile kit is perfect for use on your face, bikini area, and even for a full body wax. Achieve smooth results without irritation. With its easy-to-use design and digital display, at-home waxing has never been simpler. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. The kit includes everything you need, including prep and aftercare sprays. Ensure a comfortable waxing experience and soothe your skin afterwards. Achieve a flawless finish with this all-in-one waxing solution. It's designed for convenience and professional-level results, wherever you are. What we like. This kit is specifically formulated for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable waxing experience. It's versatile enough for all areas, including the face and bikini line. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, at-home waxing solution with precise temperature control, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable against the skin. The fit is true to size and flattering on different body types. The design is stylish and modern, with adjustable straps for a perfect fit. Number 2. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse hair formula. Introducing our powerful hard wax beads, specifically formulated to tackle even the coarsest hair. Say goodbye to stubborn regrowth and hello to smooth skin. This formula is perfect for a variety of areas, including your face, bikini line, underarms, and larger areas like your back and chest. Achieve professional results at home. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our sea salt and surf scent. It makes your hair removal routine feel like a spa treatment. This 1-pound refill bag ensures you have plenty of product for multiple waxing sessions. It's designed to work seamlessly with your wax warmers. We've also included 10 large applicator sticks to help you apply the wax precisely and efficiently. Get ready for a smooth, hair-free finish. What we like. Designed to effectively remove even coarse hair, this wax is a powerhouse. The generous 1-pound refill ensures you won't run out mid-session. If you have stubborn hair and need a reliable wax for Brazilian, underarms, or bikini areas, this is an excellent choice for a thorough hair removal. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, and the fit is true to size. The design is very flattering, and it stays in place well during activity. The color is vibrant and has held up after multiple washes. Number 1. KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit. Introducing the KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. Designed for both women and men, this versatile kit is perfect for all areas. From your face and eyebrows to your body and sensitive bikini areas, it handles it all. The advanced digital display allows for precise temperature control, ensuring a safe and comfortable waxing experience. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly melted wax every time. This comprehensive kit includes 25 essential accessories to get you started right away. Everything you need for a salon-quality waxing session is included. Experience effective hair removal without irritation. It's formulated to be gentle, making it ideal even for sensitive skin types. Enjoy the convenience of salon-quality hair removal without the salon price tag. This machine provides a reliable and efficient way to maintain smooth skin. What we like. Featuring precise digital temperature control, this kit ensures optimal wax consistency for a professional finish. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories for a complete hair removal experience at home. If you desire salon-quality results and convenience for waxing your face, body, or bikini area, this all-in-one machine is perfect. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, and it fits true to size. The design is very flattering, and the color is vibrant. It's well made and has held up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.